name is Kaya W. Muhammad and I'm going to present my vocabulary presentation. Number one, wisdom, meaning ability to make good decisions, synonym knowledge, antonym foolishness. Number two, creativity, meaning ability to create new ideas, synonym imagination, antonym dulliness. Number three, success, meaning achieving a goal, synonym achievement, antonym failure. Number four, imagination, meaning ability to form ideas in the mind, synonym creativity, antonym reality. Number five, vocabulary, meaning words a person knows and uses. Na synonym, word bank, antonym silence. Number six, perspective, meaning the way of thinking and viewing things. Synonym of viewpoint, antonym narrow-minded. Number seven, critical thinking, meaning careful and logical thinking. Synonym reasoning, antonym careless thinking. Number eight, comprehension, meaning understanding what you read. Synonym understanding, antonym okay na. Number eight, comprehension, meaning understanding what you read. Synonym understanding, antonym confusion. Number 10, communication, meaning sharing ideas and information. Synonym expression, antonym miscommunication. Number 10, information, meaning facts or details. Synonym data, antonym meaning antonym ignorance. Number 11, inspiration, meaning something that motivates you. Synonym encouragement, antonym discouragement. Number 12, number 12, number 12, knowledge, meaning um, number
13,
number
12.
12, knowledge, meaning what you learn or know. Yeah. Okay, number 13, analytical, meaning thinking deeply and carefully. Synonym logical, antonym emotional. Number 14, memory, meaning ability to remember things. Synonym recall, and antonym forgetfulness. Number 15, investment, meaning something done for future benefit. Synonym commitment, and antonym waste. Number 16, number 16, 16, discipline, meaning self-control. Synonym control, antonym laziness. Number 17, opportunities, meaning um, chances to succeed. Synonym possibilities, antonym obstacles. Number 13, focus, meaning paying attention. Synonym concentration, and antonym distraction. Number 19, empathy, meaning understanding